Hello guys and welcome on Flames Adventures. What I have here is a new Revit Seesoft Backprotector insert for my Revit Eclipse Summer jacket. This back protection is a good upgrade for my jacket and is sold separately for about 40 euros. So let's take a closer look before I put it in my jacket forever. This Revit Seesoft Type RV back protector insert is a CE Level 2 protector and designed to absorb high impacts. It's lightweight and made from multiple layers memory foam, which reduces the impacts. And it's also flexible and ventilated. It's available in different sizes depending on the size of the jacket. To install the back protector, you have to open the back protector pocket, and there you can also see what size of insert you need. For my XL jacket, the size is 5. Placing the back protector is easy peasy. You have to do a squeezy. So just squeeze the protector and it easily fits into the jacket. So my protection upgrade is complete. I also have a video about this Eclipse Summer jacket itself. Check it out. Please subscribe my channel and I hope I see you back.